What's up, entertainment lovers? I'm Dave Wulike, and today I'm checking out the Philips Hue Play HDMI sync box. This will go ahead and sync up the colors of my TV to the colors of both my light bars as well as my gradient light strip from Philips. It does not include the Hue bridge, so make sure that you go ahead and pick that on up. What it does include, of course, is the sync box itself, along with a couple different manuals, an HDMI cord, as well as a power cord and power supply. So let's set up the power supply. Really easy, just plug it all together. The Philips Hue Play HDMI sync box, you can see that there are various ports on the back. 4 of them are for your HDMI inputs, and 1 of them is for your output that you will connect directly to your TV. So that's what I'm doing right here. The next step is to download the Philips Hue Sync app. So I've got it here, and we're gonna go ahead and click on Get Started. Now it wants to know if my Hue bridge is set up, so I clicked on Yes. Is your Hue Sync box hooked up? Of course. Is the LED indicator on the Hue Sync box blinking blue? Gotta enable that Bluetooth and accept the terms and conditions. Now we're going to connect to the Hue Sync box, so let's click on Search. It's searching for the Hue Sync box. It found the Hue Sync box. It needs to connect to the Wi-Fi, so I'm gonna go ahead and set that up by clicking on my Wi-Fi network and inserting the password. It's connected to the Wi-Fi. All right, so I have to confirm on the sync box by pressing a button on it, and now it's successfully paired. It's looking for updates right now. It says we're good to go. Awesome. And it now wants me to connect to the Hue bridge. So it's searching for it, and now it wants me to press the button on top of the Hue bridge. So I've done it, and it's connected to my Hue bridge. Now we have the option to connect the sync box to our entertainment area, which mine is called Entertainment Area 1. Very creative, if I do say so myself. Next, we'll have the option to insert our HDMI input names. All right, so the sync box has been set on up. And now in the Philips Hue Sync app, this is what our home screen looks like, where we're gonna have various sync modes, whether or not we're playing a video, listening to music, or gaming itself. And our intensity meter is ranked right here, which basically means if we're gonna have more extreme colors and brightness at a faster pace. And then right below that, we can control the brightness level. On subtle intensity, when you're scrolling through a bunch of video icons, you'll see the colors changing slowly in the background. On extreme mode, it's a lot faster. It's the middle of the day when I recorded this video, so as you can see, there are a bunch of daytime talk shows going on. Probably they're not the most exciting thing to look at in the world. Even on the extreme settings, you won't really notice much of color variance during these shows. Of course, if you watch a clip show that's really fast, you're gonna see the colors changing around. When you watch a movie in extreme mode, the colors will shift around a lot. So I wanted to also just take a simple scene where 2 people are talking to one another, but it's still an action moment, and switch between extreme as well as subtle so you can get the idea. Gaming videos are going to look awesome with this because it feels as if, the images are bleeding off of your TV screen and going onto the wall itself. When you get hit by an enemy and the TV screen turns red, so do the lights. It kind of brings this home movie theater glow to your wall. This is just a quick demo of a dark screen and lights going around in circles, and it's insanity. It's awesome. You feel like you're warped into this world right now. Even retro games look really cool. You're getting this new dimension that you've never experienced ever before, even though you've played the game for 20 years. And again, with extreme mode, it feels like the lightning is inside your house, especially at night, which is when this is all shot. So you can see all the colors completely engulfing the entire room. If you haven't already done so, go ahead and check out my Philips Hue Play Gradient Light Strip video, as well as my light bar video where I unbox them, set them all up so you can see how easy it is to bring this awesome experience into your entertainment room. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, go ahead, leave them in the comment section below, like this video, and subscribe to this channel for more videos coming soon.